Hi everyone, Mark and Carlin from HP here to introduce to you the EliteBook 1040 and the Elite x360 1040 G11. Powered by the brand new Intel Core Ultra processors, this is the perfect laptop for the modern professional.
With its sleek design and powerful performance, the HP EliteBook 1040 and the Elite x360 1040 G11 is the ultimate tool combining performance, security, and flexibility for great productivity.
Carlin, what are your favorite features about the Elite?
Well, I love the new design and the color Glacier Silver.
Yeah, I really like that as well. It just pops.
It does. I think it looks amazing and it's really going to turn heads when I'm out and about. And did you guys know that it's made with recycled materials, including recycled magnesium, aluminium, and even recycled fishing nets in the keyboards and used cooking oil in the bezels?
Yeah, it really is amazing to see HP's focus on sustainability and the shift towards using less and less raw materials.
Yeah, and the 360-degree hinge allows me to use it in multiple modes from tablet, laptop, tent, and stand. It's incredibly versatile for whatever the day throws at me. What about you, Mark?
Yeah, the versatility of the x360 1040 with the pen and touch input, it's fantastic. It also features a full range of port connectivity with Wi-Fi 7 and 5G, and the battery life lasts up to about 20 hours, so it keeps me productive and on the go. And when you do need to recharge, HP Fast Charge gives you 50% of your battery in just 30 minutes.
I also love the display options that you get with the EliteBook 1040 G11. There's a few to choose from, but my favorite two are the stunning 2.8K OLED panel with OLED plus low blue light and 120Hz refresh rate, or the SureView 5 privacy panel. This is a huge improvement over the previous gen with an additional 1.5 hours of additional battery life and better color and contrast. It's a real winner.
If you're traveling and you want your work to stay confidential, this is the display for you. Thank you, Carlin, for all your time and your thoughts. I really appreciate it. There you go. The HP EliteBook 1040 and the Elite x360 1040 G11, the perfect laptop for the modern professional. It's available now, so contact your HP account manager or a HP reseller to get yours today.
See ya.